This is bigger. This is our factory assembly site for spring assembly at different types and different models. Here's I show you around firstly around our very type of machines. For this one, cam type cameras with wire rotary, total 12 axes. This is bigger. We are spring machine manufacturer. Okay. Hello. Hello. Hello, guys. This is Baker. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan, South China. Our factory is very close. It's near site, close to Canton Fair complex. Within 1 hour, from our factory, just 53 kilometers from our factory to Canton Fair complex. Every year, we will attend GuangJin International Spring Industry Exhibition. Every summer we will attend GuangJin International Spring Industry Exhibition every summer in Canton Fair. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. Our factory is mid-sized, founded year 2005. Okay, this one carries 12 axes as total. Okay, my friend, this is one of our assembly site for spring forming machine. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. Every year, we will attend International Spring Industry Exhibition every summer. This is our assembly site for very type of machines. You know, this one cameras with wire rotary. Just show you around. And this one cameras 11 axes, max for 1.6 millimeter. This one max for 1.6 millimeter. Under construction, and the layer, the slider, then put on a movable tool holder, heat pads, and then goes fixed on the tools. And the manual side, here's the manual, the forming side here. This goes max for 1.6 millimeter. Okay, here's I show you around in different stage of our machine. This one sampling and the training. This is goes training. Okay. This is the spring forming machine. Can type spring forming machine, but this one using for bending the conveyor belt, chocolate coating chain. Okay, my friend, Mr. Arroyo. Okay, this for conveyor belt as one of examples like this. This one like this, the example like this. And today, clients on the site for a free using training. This is free using training at site at our workshop, and this one for conveyor belt. This stage for sampling, early stage for his wire feeding. Cam type 3 axes or 4 axes at different size. This one, the max for the wire 3 millimeter for conveyor belt. Okay, this is our assembly site. We have spring coiling machine and a spring forming machine. Spring forming machine for very type of springs, also like torsion, double torsion, or extension spring. Okay, I'll show you for more details on our catalog. Okay, I'm a baker. I'm an export sales manager. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan, South China, in Dongguan City, South China. This is our catalog. So many, over 15 models as total for different functions and different using sites to make regular compression spring and spring forming machine as the products like this regular compression spring, and for heavy duty leg teeth, and like this suspension anti-vibration spring, This also the wire bending products like this using in tent camp, grounded tent camp, 4 corner ground nail. This one for tent camp ground stake. Okay, this is we are spring machine manufacturer in South China in Dongguan City. This is my contact. You can take a picture, then write down my WhatsApp, my WeChat, or you can find more videos on my YouTube / okay. For the heavy duty trucks, is most like the way the spring using the wire diameter over 8 millimeter for trucks, for the very type of cars, for his suspension spring, anti-vibration spring, as like this one using in the truck. 7 millimeter carbon steel, tight loops, 2-period tight loops, center hook, 7 millimeter carbon steel. Our machine most are using for making the compression spring, torsion spring, and the double torsion spring. Presently, those machines not for making leaf springs, not for making leaf springs. Okay, sorry. For torsion, double torsion spring, at for a size, for a longer wheel, also like this torsion, double torsion spring, this and this. Okay, this one and this one. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan, South China, and a regular spring and special wire forming products for a wire from 0.15 millimeter max to 10 millimeter. Spring coiling and spring forming machine. Okay, let's show you how it's moving. 哎呦，有电。Here's the running. Camera is 11, 12 axes, the 8 handles. For this program, for this task, 5 of them join this task. 3 of them on list, this one, and this 3 o'clock not attending this job. Okay, for different products, different difficulty level. Some of them maybe not join this task for simple tasks. Okay, this is the whole machine divided into the wire decoil, the chamber as wire rotary, and the wire feeding. Then goes to work panel, then the control system. So the whole set machine, wire decoil, chamber, work panel, control system, and the electric parts. For our machine can process the materials, mental materials, first the long wire and also as the flat strip. For material as mostly steel, stainless steel, carbon steel, spring wire, aluminum, copper, bronze, and alloys as well for different using sites. Present for nowadays, more and more electric cars using copper for bronze, for copper for his recharging system, for the battery charging and recharging. So our machine processing the material as wire, as spring wire, steel, stainless steel, carbon steel, panel wire, aluminum, copper, bronze, as well many type of alloys for long wire and for flat strip. As flat strip as well, for the flat strip to make like this the constant force spring using in car seat self belt. Okay, so we are spring machine manufacturer. If you have the task, you can send me your drawing or sample pictures. So here's the samples. Heavy duty or the mini wire or heavy duty. For regular compression, also like this, a trigger spare spring. Here's inside, trigger spare. For 4.10 spring, low anti-vibration suspension. The juicer blender, the egg blender. special spring, special. The wire bending products, wire bending products. Okay, if you're interested, you can add my WhatsApp and my WeChat. Then send me your drawing or sample pictures. Send me your drawing or sample pictures. We will choose some 2 or 3 our spring machine models for you, comparing for your consideration. We will find the professional solution for you. Hello, hello. Hello. Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Oh, guys, this is Baker. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, South China, and we are spring machine manufacturer located in Dongguan City. From our middle-sized spring machine manufacturer, founded in year 2005. Founded in year 2005. This is my contact. I'm a baker, export sales manager, my WhatsApp, my WeChat. If you have spring machine trading or spring related spring products to be mass produced, if you have a plan for import a spring quality machine or spring forming machine or special task machine, you can contact my WhatsApp and my WeChat. Send me your drawing or sample pictures. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. And I'm a baker export sales manager. We are middle-sized manufactured since year 2005. Okay, you can also find more video introducing our factory, our business activities, our machines, and our machine go sampling videos on my video bank at YouTube. For more videos, please visit my video bank at YouTube. My video bank at YouTube. Okay. This is my contact, and we are spring machine manufacturer. Our machine make the products as like the regular spring, oil seal spring, leg time, leg teeth, conveyor belt, mesh belt, thread insert making machine. Okay, this is my contact. You can visit my video bank at YouTube, or you can add my WhatsApp and my WeChat to send me your drawing or sample pictures. We will try to find a professional solution for you if you have the planning for the machine purchase. This telling our Camelist spring forming machine. This telling our Camelist spring forming machine. Camelist 11 axis, max to 15 axis. Number 1, number 2, Camelist no wire rotary. Number 3, number 4, Camelist with wire rotary. And this one telling the Camelist cam type with wire rotary, 5 axis or 6 axis. Number 3 is a 6 axis with one server sizer to position the wire as iron 9 millimeter for their thickness. The material thickness max to iron 9 millimeter. Cam type with wire rotary, and some of the samples for agriculture leg time, leg teeth at variety of size for the wire from 4 millimeter to 8 millimeter. Torsion as well, double torsion spring, pull spring, extension spring. And this cam type, the first line, cam type no wire rotary, 3 axis standard for wire 0.2 max to 4.5 millimeter. And this line, cam type with wire rotary at baseline, cam type with wire rotary for the complicated with twisted with wire rotated for some complicated tasks and jobs, as well for wire forming, wire bending products. For example, like this one, complicated wire bending, wire forming products. This is our spring coiling machine. This is our spring coiling machine. We now have 2 axis, 1, 3 models for 2 axis for wire 0.15 max to 1.6 millimeter. 3 models, 2 axis 1, and 3 models for 4 axis 1, 3 models for 4 axis 1, and as well 6 axis max for 6 millimeter. This that samples at ready shape, regular compression, tower shape, conic for different using site as the ballpoint pen, trigger sprayer, and as the mold, as sleeve spring. The sleeve spring to protect the insert guiding wire is isolation layer, sleeve spring, stainless steel, flat strip, narrow space between every loops, flat strip, sleeve spring. The sleeve spring using in the site for high temperature or high humidity protects the wire for his isolation layer. Sleeve spring. As well, we have this page telling our special tailor-made solutions for special function as number one for conveyor belt chocolate coating wire mesh, conveyor belt for wire 0.4 max to 4 millimeter conveyor belt. Number 2, pipe clamp for wire 0.4 max to 3 millimeter. Number 3, wire straightening machine. Feeding wire length 1 to 2.5 stainless steel wire straightening machine and tailed thread insert making machine. This telling our special advantage for conveyor belt chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling. Take a closer look. Okay, my friend, I show you a closer look at the machine, how it's running showcase as if I open the wire feeding. This will go sampling for the 10th camp ground nail. This one for 6 millimeter, and this machine total 12 axes with wire rotary. The chamber, here's the chamber. Okay, here's the chamber. 4 pair feeding rods, wire feeding. 4 pair feeding rods, wire feeding. Wire rotary, gear type wire rotary, and this wire decoil. Hello, Mr. Mario. Aloyo. Where you are come from? Hello, oh guys. This is our Camel's wire rotary spring forming machine. 4 pair feeding rods. Gear driven wire rotary. And this is my contact. We are middle-sized spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, South China. This is my contact. And this machine is running showcase. And here's the control system. I show you the control system. Presently, the control system is, so here's a program. The control system is English, Chinese, Spanish, Russian. Because this, a similar machine, reach lot of deals for agriculture purpose. The client using this machine for agriculture purpose to mass produce the lectine, lactase. And this is our field installing machine. Get free using training. This one, camera is 1.6 millimeter. And this one, camera is under construction, 11 axes of total. Camera is we're using Scion Denki motor and host or Alukuchi for control system. The wire decoil. This client at site for a free using training. Free using training. We provide free using training. Usually take 3 to 6 days at different stage. This one, okay, this is, we are spring machine manufacturer. So here's the samples. Here's the samples. Every of them. If you have the same or similar one, you can send me your drawing or sample pictures. We will provide a professional solution for you. Okay, my offers. All of them, we can provide you the machine and provide you the professional solution for you. If you have the same one or similar one, tell me, send me your drawing by WhatsApp, by WeChat. For more sampling or machine introduction videos, please visit my YouTube video bank. Every of them, we can provide you the solution. Every of them for torsion, double torsion spring, wire bending products, wire forming products. For the spring using, a lot of using site as agriculture, industry, heavy duty industrial, precision, test equipment, as daily household living. Those wire bending products, wire bending, wire forming products. If you have a similar one, a similar task, if you are now searching for spring coiling or spring forming wire bending machine, send me your drawing to my WhatsApp, to my WeChat. Okay, we are middle-sized spring machine manufacturer in South China. We are middle-sized factory for spring machine. All of our machines are CNC type automatic. This is my WhatsApp, my WeChat. This is our chemist spring machines. For example, show you one for his key parameters. This is our catalog. Every year during summer, we will attend Guangzhou International Spring Industry Exhibition, Guangzhou International Wire Procession Equipment Fair, Guangzhou International Spring Industry Exhibition at site Canton Fair. This is our catalog. So next, I will show you the products for regular or special for men. This machine, heavy duty, spring coiling machine, spring forming machine, chemist, total 12 axes. A lot of deer clients using for mass producing like this, agriculture, lake time, lake teas, for harvester, for straw baler. A lot of deals to the country like Poland, Belarus, Russia, Romania, South Africa, Argentina, Brazil, Mexico, Australia. Okay, this a lot of deal reach the countries as like over 32 countries. Most of them using this machine for mass producing the lake time, lake teeth for his wire 4 to 10 millimeter carbon steel, lake time, lake teeth at different shape, different wire size. For this heavy duty trucks, pull spring, extension spring. You know, here's 2 period of tight loops, 7 millimeter carbon steel, heavy duty, strong, heavy duty, index, small index, so it's strong, 7 millimeter carbon steel, tight loops, center hook, okay, this one, and also like this, pipe, clip, fastening, pipe fastening purpose. As like this wire strand, wire twisted, wire strand, wire, and this already now running for this, 5 of the slider during this task. Lake time, this for 6 millimeter carbon steel. By this machine, output rate about 10 pieces per minute. So here, this period by the coiling finger, and this period, this turning by the spinner. Here's the flat at base rectangle, anti-vibration, suspension spring, at top also flat, tower shape, conic, using site, high jump, sports high jump matrix, suspension anti-vibration spring, suspension spring. And the flat strip, cast seat self belt, using side a tape measure clock, mechanical clock, or traditional watch, traditional clock. For windows up, spiral constant force spring, stand still at different width and thickness. This flat constant force as well like this. So for the regular torsion spring, double torsion spring, and for traditional pull spring, extension spring at center hook for British style or German style. Simple torsion spring, the simplest torsion spring. This using in matches. The conveyor belt single piece, 2.5 millimeter. Stainless steel foot grade, 2.5 millimeter. Cubic, 3 dimension. Single hook at both ends. This the egg blender, juice blender, stainless steel 4 millimeter or 5 millimeter. Our machine making this period, then here's welded as this part will welded together. This the fork barbecue usage. The torsion, double torsion spring. Double torsion spring. Household using the simple hook, using in kitchen room or bathroom. While forming products, the hook, stainless steel 2 millimeter or maybe 1.6 millimeter. Household using the hook in kitchen room or bathroom. Oil seal spring, the oil seal spring. The regular compression spring, as well like this. This one, spring wire 4 millimeter using in lighting hook, lighting hanger, 4 millimeter torsion spring, 4 millimeter spring wire. The wire forming and the wire bending products, special shape, not the regular one. As well as the clamp, the pipe clip, 3 millimeter, 100 the OD, this one the OD 156 millimeter, 3 millimeter stainless steel. We have the machine make at very size, very outer diameter. for pipe, clamp, pipe, clip, using in oil, petroleum transportation, pipe networks, in metal, underground, metal, construction sites, or in agriculture, like the grapeland, the greenhouse. The greenhouse or grapeland for water irrigation system. Pipe clamp, pipe clip, using sites, the petrol, the gas, transportation, pipe networks, the metal, underground, construction site, and agriculture as water irrigation system. As well, this one, irregular compression spring. Irregular, this using in automatic beverage selling machine. Automatic beverage selling machine. Automatic beverage selling machine. Automatic beverage selling machine. Various size, various shape of spiral wire mesh. This one, this one, this one, and this is more simple. We can extend it as long as you wish. For example, 2 meter, 2.5 meter, or 3 meter even. Short example. Various size of compression spring, anti-vibration spring, suspension spring. This is using in vehicles, heavy-duty trucks. For mostly using in electric scooter or light car, private car, 5-seat private car, anti-vibration suspension spring for the wire 8 to 12 millimeter. This mountain bike suspension anti-vibration spring in front a rear tire anti-vibration using in mountain bicycle or electric car, electric bike, electric scooter for anti-vibration suspension spring. This one regular 2 millimeter using in umbrella, this compression spring. And this one using in T-well, like a drum, narrow in the middle and wider at both ends, narrow in the mid, and wider at both ends. T-well usage. The tower shape, conic, anti-vibration, suspension spring. The pull spring, extension tool spring. This one, 6 millimeter, carbon steel. This one, pull spring, extension spring. As well, we also tailor-made the wire forming products. While forming products, this in my right hand, mobile phone holder for entertainment, mobile phone holder for entertainment, while forming products. Using in this to be made in the machine with wire rotary. Canted slant compression spring. Canted spring, slant spring. For his section shape as over, not the round one. Canted slant spring. Copper. This is the material as copper boson. And the sleeve spring for using sites with high humidity, high temperature, protect the wire's isolation layer. Okay, we are now also this one 2.5 conveyor belt stainless steel foot grade. 2.5 stainless steel foot grade conveyor belt. Show you the close look. You can get a clear idea for this one in my right hand 1.5 millimeter, and in my left hand almost 1.8 over 1.8 meter. We can make it as long as you desire, as like 2 meter, 2.5 meter for conveyor belt using site. Conveyor belt chocolate coating, chocolate enrobing, 2.5 for the material range 0.4 max to 4 millimeter. The single unit, this one 1.5 stainless steel 2.5 millimeter foot grade 304, stainless steel 304. For this 1.5, one piece take time about 35 seconds. 35 seconds, one piece. The single unit. And the sample is made by ourselves. And every unit, we made the unit piece by piece, then waved together by hand or by simple fixture. This one, 2.5 stainless steel foot grade stainless steel, SUS 304, SUS 304, 60 centimeter. One unit take time about 25 seconds, then waved piece by piece, extended meter by meter. Show you a closer look. Cubic one, single hook at both ends, cubic 3 dimension. Conveyor belt, chocolate coating chain. This is used for the heating side, goes through the heating furnace. As well, we can make a lot of deal for clients. We have we have 6 machine models for this field. For conveyor belt, mesh belt, chocolate coating chain. This one sample 1.2 forky stainless steel, double hook at both ends, double hook at both ends. The cubic one, 1 meter, 1 meter. This, okay, the conveyor belt. (1.2 millimeter) forky stainless steel. And this 1.6 millimeter. This one 1.6 millimeter. Single hook, 3 dimension. Conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate enrobing. A lot of deals we developed successful for the solution since year 2012. It's with over almost 13 years experience. We are skillful, a lot of experience on this, provide you tailor-made solutions for all related conveyor belt. As well, we have the honeycomb, great wall, honeycomb, horseshoe, flat conveyor belt, flat strip conveyor belt, this one. So this machine came with wire rotary, total 12 axes. For presented showcase, 5 of the slider involved the program for making tent camp. These 5 of sliders join this program. They must producing this leg teeth for tent camp ground nail, tent camp ground nail. For this 6 millimeter carbon steel, 6 millimeter carbon steel, tent camp ground nail, 10 pieces per minute. This one, 5 of sliders join for some more complicated tasks. All of 8 sliders and the spinners can attend in the task. So value of the products as total, different lineup of the tools, different program to mass different products. For this machine are similar. A lot of deal for the agriculture purpose, mass producing leg teeth for straw baler, for harvester, agriculture, for hay collecting. Okay, now showcase how's the machine of machine in free using training. This is in training. This one for conveyor belt max for 3 millimeter. This put on the tools, go sampling. We are spring machine manufacturer. And this, okay, the full one. We are mid-size spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. If you have the similar task, send me your drawing. You can also add my WhatsApp, my WeChat. Okay, I'm a baker, export sales manager. Send me your drawing by my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan, China. This is my WhatsApp. Send me your drawing. You can find more videos at my YouTube video bank. This one, four models available cameras with wire rotary for 6, 8, 10, or 12 millimeter configurations. Mostly, this machine using in agriculture purpose mass producing lake time, lake teeth. This is a smaller one. Cameras no wire rotary, max for 1.6 under construction today, and will go sampling soonest. We get the order, then start installing the machine, warming up, then put on the tools, go sampling. After sampling completed, mostly client will come to our factory for inspection or for free using training. Okay, show you. See you. Bye bye. 找我了，我的